First thing first, before you can start your design, you have to make sure that you determine the height of your building and the width of your walls. Now, you can actually use WA as a shortcut to achieve wall, or rather you click on wall under architecture, as you can see here. Then you click on wall. When you click on wall, you have to come to the right side of the screen. At some point, you may not have the properties, but immediately after you click on the wall, you right click and you go down to click on properties. You definitely pop up on your screen, then you can drag it back to the right side of the screen. So at this part, after activating a wall, then you have to edit the type of the wall. Now you have to click on editing type. When you click on edit type, here is where you have to make some editing so as to fit in into realistic walls. Now, under structures, or first thing first, you have to duplicate. After duplicating, then you have to rename wall. It can be wall 225. Then you click OK. After duplicating and after you must have renamed, you have to come under construction, under structure, and you click on edit. After clicking on edit, then there is a place where we have function, the purpose of the wall, or material, the finishing material of the wall, the thickness of the wall, and this is where we will put in 225 as the width of the wall. And if you want to apply the materials before you start a design, you can click on by category. Then after clicking on category, it is going to pop up material for walls. Then we have normally REVIT has created some automated walls, automated material. But then if you don't find any of your desired color, you can actually come down here by the left side of the screen where we have create new materials, duplicate selected materials. The best thing is for you is to click create new materials. After creating the new material, you have to duplicate and you rename. And I want you to note this, that whatsoever you have to do on Revit, you have to duplicate because they all work together as parenting. So for you to avoid them applying parenting editing, you have to duplicate to avoid all other similar elements to change. Now, after we must have duplicated, you click to change the name of the material. You can actually change it. Probably you want color white as your wall. You can actually write wall white. After that, then you come to appearance. When you come to the appearance, you click on color, then you click on white, then you click OK. After clicking OK, you come back to graphics and you are to make sure that you mark use render appearance. If you don't mark this, the color white is not going to be applied. So when you mark it, it is going to be applied and you click on apply and you click on OK. So after you must have done that, back to this edit assembly, then you click OK. After clicking that, then you come back here again and to click OK. Now, we have just edited the word that we want to use. Now, we have to follow the height of the building, which is 3 meters. And how are we going to achieve that? How we can achieve that is that you can see modify peak wall by the top right of the screen, where we have the height of the building, where we have the unconnected, we have the levels that we've created. Now, this part is asking us that the wall that you are about to draw, which of the levels would you like the wall to reach? Now, we have from ground level to ceiling level. So we have to click on ceiling level so that the wall won't exceed the level of ceiling. Now, after we must have clicked on ceiling level, Then you will come to properties where you click on top constraint. Then you will click on level up to ceiling level, which is now in 3 meters. So that is how you can edit your walls before you start designing on Revit. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.